Hi everyone, this is Milan from MK Designs, and today we have the Barcelona Blue Interceptor with us in our workshop. It's here in for some mods. Let's show you the parts that we are going to install on this motorcycle. Before installing the Shorty kit, we need to remove all the excessive parts, seats, mudguards and everything. And then we'll have to start taking the marking on the frame. So place the scale on the cut and mark on 35 mm. Repeat on the other side. Take a masking tape and place it on the frame where you have marked, and make sure it is not crooked. The tape is aligned properly. Okay. Repeat on the other side. Now it's time to chop the frame. Make sure the grinder is straight. If you cut it in angle, then the Shorty kit won't be aligned properly. So let's start cutting the frame. Grind the frame properly to get a smooth finish so that the Shorty kit fits properly. Install the MK mount and then place the Shorty kit. Make sure the bolts of this mount are a bit loose. And then you place the Shorty kit. It fits exactly in the place, and this mount you need to put 2 bolts and mount the plate with the Shorty kit. Here is the Shorty tapered fender that we are going to install on this. So this fits exactly on the bottom like this. With the fender mounting, we are mounting the LED light mount along with it, because the bolts, the holes are common. And finally, we have installed all the parts on this motorcycle. As you can see, this is the Shorty kit tapered fender, and this is the Brat seat tapered. So finally the kit is installed. Let's take the motorcycle out for a spin and let's see how it looks on the road.